distinguished colleagues, excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is a great pleasure for me to attend this International Conference on Women Education in Afghanistan here in Bali today. Let me begin by commending the Foreign Minister for her leadership in undertaking this important initiative. Please count on Pakistan's complete support towards its success. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, the first verse revealed by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, began with the word read, a universal injunction by the Almighty for all humanity, irrespective of caste, creed, or color, a responsibility enjoined on man and woman alike. It is a sacred duty for every Muslim to seek knowledge, even if this quest took them to the furthest ends of the earth. As followers of the noble religion of Islam, a strong commitment to promoting learning and education is therefore not only a matter of conviction, it is also an element of faith for us. The Constitution of Pakistan recognizes women's equal right to education. We are convinced that an investment in female education is an investment in the future of a nation, with assured dividends in the form of an enlightened and enterprising youth. No nation can rise to the height of glory without the equal participation of women in legal, political, socioeconomic, and decision-making processes. Pakistan is proud that we produced the world's first female Prime Minister, Shaheed Mohammad Benazir Bhutto, who was the beacon of democracy and women's emancipation and equitable, inclusive governance of women in Pakistan. As she once said, Shaheed Mohammad Benazir Bhutto once said, I have found that those who do achieve peace never acquiesce to obstacles, especially those constructed of inflexible tradition. Her life and example form my moral and intellectual compass. We are under no illusion that the road to achieving universal access to education for all, including women, is often long and arduous. However, generation after generation, women have demonstrated that with inevitable spirit, they can shatter glass ceilings, overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles in life. Women across Pakistan continue to shatter the glass ceilings every day. We also believe that society needs to promote an enabling environment that empowers women and mainstreams their participation in society. This conviction derives from our faith that emphasizes education and respect for women and their participation in economic activity. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, our faith teaches us that one should seek for his brothers, or his sisters, what he desires for himself. We expect from our brethren in Afghanistan is something that we already practice in Pakistan and across the Islamic world. Upon the interim government of Afghanistan, the imperative to promote the right of all peoples of Afghanistan, including women and girls. We hope that our Afghan brethren will make the right choices. Excellencies, over the last 40 years, the people of Pakistan have opened their homes and hearts to their Afghan brethren displaced by war and conflict. It is gratifying to note that the ambitions of countless Afghan students, including women, to become doctors, teachers, and IT professionals, have been nourished in educational institutions of Pakistan. Thousands of Afghan students are currently studying in Pakistan. The government of Pakistan remains fully committed to keep this course. We have recently announced the awamiawaz scholarship for Afghan students. Under the program, 4,500 fully funded scholarships will be offered to eligible Afghan students to study. In Pakistan, 1,500 500 of these scholarships have been reserved for Afghan women. This will be further expanded in the coming days. Pakistan would also like to train Afghan women teachers so that the education of Afghan girls continues uninterrupted. Ladies and gentlemen, our presence here today reaffirms the great importance that we accord to Afghan women's education. Practical engagement with the interim Afghan government is imperative. We must engage based on mutual trust and cooperation, and what is required is constructive engagement. As a neighbor to Afghanistan, Pakistan will continue to play its part. Thank you.